NEWTON ERP, Aspire Package, for Small Business by Nippon Data. Are you having problems finding customer data that you need? Your accounts transaction does not give you clear view of customer buying with details that you need? You are having trouble accessing the required supplier data? You spend a lot of time reconciling data manually, searching for required information, which turns into a nightmare with present systems? You now know that you no longer need your basic accounting program or other standalone software. Don't let your legacy systems hold your growth potential. You now need NEWTON ERP for your digital journey and grow your business. Live up your business potential with NEWTON. NEWTON gives you complete control over your company. You can take decisions which are required with data to support them as and when you need it. Sell more to your existing customer while you nurture new opportunities. Monitor your sales opportunities, take required actions and examine profitability, customer-wise or order-wise. Track your inventory levels to serve customers in timely fashion and avoid unwanted stocks. Drill down to details to the record and field level. Personalized dashboards for your ease. Discover, analyze, act with data provided by NEWTON at a keystroke. Manage your accounts with integrated data with other departments. Key performance indicators you need to track your business health. NEWTON ERP, Aspire Package has been created keeping in view your size and aspirations to succeed. Single point solution with no need of IT specialists. Consider digitization done for your company and size. Book a review meeting with us and we will show you how it will help you get the confidence to do more with what you have.